How do I protect the fence of a sensitive site? Normally, a fence is the first line of defense. To actively detect any attempt to climb over, cut or lift it, we created SIOUX Pro2. SIOUX uses MEMS technology. Not everyone knows that MEMS, that means Micro Electrical Mechanical System, is as small as a mite. It was invented in Italy in 1995. Since then, it has become indispensable in all technological devices, especially smartphones. MEMS is an accelerometer that analyzes acceleration in space. We were the first to think of using this technology within sensor placed directly on fence to detect intrusion attempts. How does it work? The sensors are positioned 5 meters apart and connected to each other via Cat5 Ethernet cables. SIOUX works on any type of fence, rigid, flexible or high security. The sensors collect a vast amount of information from all the perimeter and constantly send it to the controller, which processes, filters and qualifies everything with great precision. Furthermore, thanks to fuzzy logic analysis, SIOUX can distinguish easily between strong wind, heavy rain or hail, for example. So now, just to summarize, what are the 3 key features of SIOUX? Simple installation and maintenance. The complexity of analysis does not exclude ease of installation, from plug-and-play mounting to sensor tuning. Fuzzy logic analysis. The controller compares the data received from the field with typical behavioral signals, effectively distinguishing genuine intrusion attempts. Distributed intelligence. Each sensor has a small brain, able to simultaneously process all environmental signals. If you want to know more about SIOUX and our perimeter security solution, follow us for future updates and click here to stay updated about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.